Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of those, either the paper clip or this tool, you want to pop out the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Now you will see a bunch of tiny little pins, pinhole like these. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. So the one that is the closest to the left edge of the phone. As you can see, this one where the pin is holding right now. Once you push the pin in, you will see that the tray comes out just ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. So utilize whichever one you want, or both of them if you want to. I'll be using just the front one, so this one. Now I'll mention that the top one, so while I'm holding it like this with the phone being screen up, that's how you'd insert it. The top one has no like bumpers or anything that keeps the card in place, so if I flip it over it just falls out, while the bottom one does have this little kind of thing right here that prevents it from falling out. So just to see, if I put it in right now from the bottom, it will not fall out. So yeah, keep that in mind. From there, insert the card back into your phone. Now the tray will go in only one way, so if you flip it over and try to put it in, it will just not let you put it in at all. So there's only one correct way. And once you insert it into the device, it will just give you some kind of pop-up. Just say select OK, and the card should start working right away. And there we go, we just got reception. And it pops up with this one, so as you can see, there's my card. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.